again?
What?
What's called?
What?
This.
Omoplate. This is a omoplate. Not
Dr.
Dr. Kosik. This is an omoplate.
Can you show me?
Yes.
Where?
Here exactly. You can touch it. You can put your pouce. I don't know how to say in English.
Thumb.
Your thumb, like here, in the bone, like omoplate. You see? It's like
A bone.
a bone.
It's very beautiful, isn't it?
Mm.
In Swedish, it's very beautiful.
In Sweden, it's very, very beautiful. Skulderblad.
It's beautiful.
Mm.
No. Isn't it beautiful? Can you say
It is.
skulderblad?
Skulderblad.
Coral. Coral.
It's the thing that is in the sea, you know. This
Yes, I know.
you know what is it?
Yes.
Coral. Yes.
Yeah.
Can you say goodbye in the camera?
Right.
Goodbye.
Can you say something beautiful in Swedish? Please.
Jag vill nu en fiskare.